Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how to turn on image stabilization in Sony FX3 or Sony FX30. So let's just jump into that. So if you click on the menu button on Sony FX3 or Sony FX30 and you go down till you go on shooting, here if you scroll down till you see the image stabilization, you can click on that and then you have the SteadyShot. Here you have three options. One is called active, other is called standard, and then the other one is called off. So if it's off, it's not working. Surely if it's on standard, it's gonna compensate a bit, and if it's on active, what will happen is it will crop on your picture a bit more than the standard one. And after that you have the SteadyShot adjustment, its own auto or manual. So what is the difference between auto and manual? If there is a lens which is readable by your camera, you can leave it on auto and it will automatically read the focal length of the lens and determine how much it's going to crop on the lens focal length. But if you're having a lens which is not readable by the camera, you'll have to manually put the focal length of the lens here. So you need to know that when to use auto and when to use manual. I hope this video was helpful for you. In case you have any more questions, put those in comments and I'll make sure I'll reply to those. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.